Okay, so this is our Mrs. Elite category judges. We have our Mrs. Elite category coming on stage.
Incredibly proud of our elite winners. They're winners already, and judges, make sure you have your elite section pulled up.
All right, so is everybody ready? Woo! Okay, so let's welcome contestant number 21, Anusha Sompalli. Representing the natural state, Arkansas, she's a proud mother, a dog mom, a technical program manager I'm sorry for the technical difficulties. She's a proud mother, a dog mom, a technical program manager by profession, and a traveler who loves discovering beauty across the world. This gown, crafted from leaves, twigs, and apple blossoms, is a labor of love that reflects the spirit of Arkansas, its lush forests, endless trails, and the wild beauty. Like her state, she stands tall, rooted in her values, blooming with grace, and embodies Arkansas as Mother Nature, where true beauty is found in how we grow, nurture, and bloom. Give it up for contestant number 21, Anusha Sompalli.
Contestant number 22, Sujita Karayal. A software engineer in life sciences from Chicago, passionate about using technology to improve lives, works with Chicago public schools, mentoring and guiding the next generation to achieve their dreams through education and support, representing America, the land of opportunities. She celebrates a nation where hard work, determination, and talent open doors, reflecting the spirit of opportunity, resilience, and progress. Give it up for contestant number 22, Sujita.
All right, so next we have contestant number 23, Sujal Bidari. Winner of Mr. and Mrs. Connecticut in the couples category. She's a finance and fintech marketer with JP Morgan and a mother of two. A financial wellness advocate for women who spearheads the Winvestor initiative, partnering with countless MNCs and giving hundreds of women valuable resources to achieve financial freedom. Today, she represents the warrior queens of India, fierce yet graceful, symbolizing courage and compassion, standing tall against oppression and carving freedom with fire in her hearts. Give it up for contestant number 23, Sujal Bidari.
Next, we have contestant number 24, Angela Omoy. Representing Florida as Mrs. Florida Elite Universe USA, Angela is a multifaceted leader influencer, and entrepreneur, combining beauty, compassion, and advocacy. She's a registered nurse who's married to her anesthesiologist husband, mom of 3 in a blended family, and her passion is driven by empowering others. Rising from the crystal waters of the mermaid capital, Angela embodies a mermaid, diving deep, weathering storms, and rising stronger each time. Every wave shapes her, every tide proves her power is limitless. Like women every way, we are defined not by the depths we face, but by the courage with which we rise. Give it up for Angela, contestant number 24.
Let's welcome contestant number 25, Nirmala Pandidurai. Mrs. Bharat Illinois Petite, third runner-up, an IT professional and manager at Abbott, who passionately volunteers with many non-profit organizations and serves the Assistant Secretary of the Chicago Tamil Sangam, a dedicated non-profit organization. A talented dancer and choreographer, recipient of Guinness World Record in Tamil traditional folk performing art, who believes in giving back to the community and uplifting others through community service and arts while pursuing her own success. Today, she is representing a peacock, the national bird of India, the cultural significance and symbolism of beauty and grace. That is our contestant number 25, Nirmala Pandidurai.
Next, we have contestant number 26, Samriddhi Chawla. She is a dental professional, loving mother, and proud resident of New Jersey for the past 10 years. She is passionate about empowering others to achieve holistic wellness through natural therapies. Her Garden State inspired costume showcases her passion for outdoors and mental health awareness, emphasizing the therapeutic benefits of nature walks and gardening. With a heartfelt mantra, into the garden I go to lose my mind and find my soul. She inspires others to discover nature's healing power. Give it up for Samriddhi, contestant number 26.
Next, let's welcome contestant number 27, Smita Sharma, a software quality engineer, a mom of one beautiful daughter, and a wife of very loving and supportive husband. To her, mental health is super vital and survival of, and she strongly believes that listening to people will make them feel valued and heard. She practices Sahaja Yoga meditation and Pilates and helps Cancer Control Society with any needs. Today, she is a Barbie, which she believes is a woman empowering doll whose slogan is, "You can be anything." Give it up for contestant number 27, Smita Sharma.
We have contestant number 28, Shilpa Zadhav, an IT professional, community leader, and social worker. She champions the causes of students and parents facing visa challenges, stands strong for survivors of domestic violence, and passionately advocates for mental health awareness and women empowerment. She's representing the fearless spirit of Jhansi Ki Rani, Lakshmibai, the warrior queen of Maharashtra, a powerful blend of royal elegance and warrior practicality, reflecting her dual identity as a queen and a fierce fighter. Her attire is completed with a distinctive katiyar, traditional curved dagger strapped to her waist, and a sturdy sword in hand, signifying readiness and strength. Give it up for Shilpa Jadhav, contestant number 28.
Next, let's welcome contestant number 29, Saili Subedar. Mrs. Bharat Texas Elite 2025 and a software manager. She is passionate dancer and mom to a 16-year-old. She believes in women's education cause and works with Educate Girls NGO in India. Her costume represents the state of Texas flower, blue bonnets. They are a symbol of resilience and grace. Just like these flowers, she wants to stay rooted in tradition while blooming bravely toward new horizons with hope. Give it up for contestant number 29, Saili Subedar.
Next, we have contestant number 41, Madhu Gill. A healthcare industry professional, proud mother of two, cultural chair of the Haryanvi Bay Area Association, pageant director and recipient of the Festival of Global Icon Award for Women's Empowerment. Her ensemble is a living canvas of Indian heritage, honoring her roots from Haryana. The wings of her attire pay tribute to Kalpana Chawla, India's first woman in space. Manushi Chillar, Miss World 2017. The timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita and the strength of the Ashoka Chakra, symbolizing the eternal flow of life. Looking ahead to the LA Olympics 2028, she champions ambition, harmony, and sportsmanship. Reflecting her own journey as a sportswoman, tonight she carries India in her heart and the world in her stride. Give it up for contestant number 41, Madhu Gill.
Next, we have contestant number 43, Usha Gururajar. Reigning Mrs. San Antonio Universe from Texas, a physicist and a college professor. She is bringing Texas cowgirl spirit to the stage. Her boots carry courage, her hat is a crown of wisdom, and her lasso symbolizes the power to gather dreams and opportunities. Married for 20 years and a proud mother and has two beloved dogs. She's fearless in the classroom, tender at home, and unstoppable in her dreams. A spirit as vast and radiant as the Texas sky. Give it up for contestant number 43, Usha Gururajar.
We have contestant number 44, Harpreet Judd, winner of Mrs. Southwest Universe USA 2025. She is a nature lover, believer of holistic science, and an advocate for sustainable and conscious living. For the last 3 years, she has worked closely with Shiloh's Place, a non-profit that empowers single mothers with financial independence and personal wholeness. Today, she proudly represents Punjab, the sacred land where golden wheat shimmers in the sun like ocean waves, nurtured by devoted farmers carrying forward a living legacy of culture, tradition, and heritage. Give it up for Harpreet, contestant number 44. So this was our Mrs. Elite category. Give a big, big round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.
A big round of applause as they exit the stage.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive.
So next we have our Mrs. Petite, Mrs. Curvy, and Mrs. Classic category.
Let's welcome them on stage with a big round of applause.
Okay, our contestant number 16 from Mrs. Petite category, we have Neha Nathani. Proud to represent the Lone Star State as Mrs. Texas Elite Universe, an HR professional, she's passionate about inspiring young girls from small towns to dream fearlessly and break barriers. She dedicates her time to volunteering with NGOs in Texas and India, making a meaningful impact across continents. Her costume celebrates the spirit of Texas, where bold dreams meet boundless skies. The cowgirl side reflects strength, grit, and fearless femininity, while the USA flag and fireworks symbolize her belief that the sky is never the limit. Reaching for the stars, she proudly represents a state that taught her to dream bigger, speak louder, and rise higher. Because in Texas, even the sky isn't the limit. Give it up for Neha Nathani, contestant number 16.
Let's welcome contestant number 17, Swapnali Vani. Crowned Mrs. New York Petite Universe 2025, an IT professional, proud mother, a grateful wife who passionately champions Indian saris and handloom artistry under her motto, "Any place is a sari place." An artist, avid traveler, textile blogger, and fitness enthusiast. Through her healthy lifestyle, she reversed her pre-diabetic condition and now serves as an inspiration to others. Today, she is wearing a self-designed, hand-woven silk sari that is hand-painted with iconic landmarks from New York. The sari reflects her deep cultural roots and her journey as a modern, global woman. Give it up for contestant contestant number 17, Swapnali.
We have contestant number 18, Chetna Gote. Mrs. Universe California Petite 2025, a dynamic tech leader with over 2 decades experience at Amazon, Apple and Meta. She is an accomplished actor, dancer, model, artist and a proud mother of 2. Tonight, she embodies the phoenix, a symbol of strength and rebirth. Losing her mother at 11 was her greatest trial. Yet, like the mythical bird, she rose from the ashes stronger and brighter. Her costume reflects this journey of transformation from silence to courage, from pain to resilience, reminding us all that even in darkness, we hold the power to rise and shine. Give it up for contestant number 18, Chetna Gote. Contestant number 19, Sahaja Devupalli. Mrs. Florida Petite Universe 2025, a woman of purpose, blending elegance with strength at every stage of her life. A software developer with a career spanning top firms like Google and Bank of America, she is a mother of 2, a passionate entrepreneur, model, an event organizer, and social media influencer. Today, she embodies the spirit of India's national bird, the regal peacock, a timeless symbol of grace, beauty, and divine protection. Showcased through her costumes, vibrant feathers, proud posture, and royal presence. Give it up for Sahaja, contestant number 19.
Next, let's welcome contestant number 20, Priyanka Parekh. Mrs. Bharat Illinois Petite 2025, representing grace, talent and purpose. A technical architect by profession and trained dancer in Kathak and Hip Hop. Dedicated to social impact, actively involved and supporting underprivileged children through NGOs like Vidya Jyoti, Akshay Patra, and the Baba Amte organization. Draped in heritage, bold and bright, Marathi culture shines in light in threads of tradition, with valor born, a legacy of pride, timelessly reborn. Give it up for contestant number 20, Priyanka Parekh.
Next, we have contestant number 30, Mithal Rami. This is our Mrs. Curvy category, contestant number 30. Proud winner of Mrs. Illinois Curvy 2025, an entrepreneur in medical revenue management, a professional model, and a passionate fashion creator who finds balance through yoga and meditation. The peacock-inspired dress reflects the rich heritage of Indian culture, known for its elegance and tradition, beautifully blended with the bold, empowering spirit of the USA, the land where she proudly pursues her dreams. For her, true beauty is about living with a purpose, leading with the heart, and inspiring others along the way. Give it up for contestant number 30.
Next, let's welcome contestant number 31, Aishwarya Chinnari. Mrs. Universe California 2025, a passionate traveler and cultural explorer who is an advocate for mental health awareness, breaking stigma in Asian communities and promoting body positivity. She represents two lands of gold, the historic Kolar gold fields of Karnataka, symbolizing resilience, and the iconic Golden Gate Bridge of California, symbolizing dreams and possibilities. Together, they reflect her essence rooted in tradition, yet boldly embracing the future, soaring with golden wings of ambition.
Next, we have our Mrs. Classic category contestant number 32, Katrina Spagnol. Representing Florida as Mrs. Florida Classic Universe USA, she expresses her passion for ballroom dancing and roller skating to demonstrate that life is beautiful at any age. She inspires others, whether through public speech, by sharing her journey of healing from childhood trauma, assuring them that they are not alone, and encouraging them to use their own voices in their healing process. Her botanical gardens costume embodies the essence of Florida by highlighting its rich natural heritage, featuring an array of native plant species and ecosystems such as wetlands and upland scrub. Give it up for contestant number 32, Katrina.
Next, let's welcome contestant number 33, Supriya Reddy. A dedicated neurologist honored Best Doctors in Texas, a graceful Kuchipudi and Kathak classical dancer, and an acclaimed author, her book on women empowerment is winner of International Impact Awards. She wears a power drape adorned with 10 legendary Indian women who broke barriers and inspired generations. This drape symbolizes the courage and vision she strives to carry forward. She leads with passion for medical awareness, student mentoring, women advocacy, and community upliftment. She proudly carries her roots, her purpose, and her promise to uplift, empower, and inspire others. Give it up for contestant number 33, Supriya Reddy.
Our MS category contestant number 34, Damanpreet Mangat. Mrs. Universe California 2025 first runner-up, a dedicated therapist with Kaiser Permanente of Psychiatric Hospital and passionately advocates for mental health and women empowerment. A proud mother and an active volunteer with Khalsa Aid, living the Sikh principle of Seva through humanitarian service. Showcasing her cultural pride and advocacy by wearing Punjabi attire with a Gurmukhi shawl inscribed with mental health matters, representing Punjab mental health awareness and women empowerment on a global stage. Give it up for contestant number 34, Damanpreet Mangat.
Let's welcome contestant number 35, Siddhartha Patil. A senior engineer, certified nutritionist, and an advocate for young girls, empowering them to be financially and emotionally independent. Her powerful speech and voice towards domestic violence awareness went viral on social media, reaching over 100K views in only 3 days. Tonight, She embodies the Golden State, a tribute to California's diversity where over 200 languages are spoken. California means the freedom to be who you are, love who you are, and live without limits, where choice is not a privilege, it's a right. Give it up for contestant number 35, Siddhartha Patil.
Next, we have contestant number 36, Priyanka Jain. A domestic abuse survivor and proud single mother who runs Creating Wings with her daughter, a non-profit helping women worldwide gain financial independence. She is a software engineer, real estate agent, and holds several technology patents. And in her free time, she enjoys being a henna artist, runway model, and social media influencer. Service is at the heart of everything she does, from supporting a girls' orphanage in India to empowering blind students with technology. Tonight, she shines as the Connecticut Mountain Laurel Flower Angel, symbolizing beauty, strength, and hope, helping women create wings to achieve financial freedom. Give it up for Priyanka Jain, contestant number 36.
Let's welcome contestant number 37, Yasmin Al-Khoury. All right, so we don't have contestant number 37. We will be skipping to contestant number 39, Anju Sasidharan. Representing Ohio. She is a software engineer born and brought up in Kerala. She is passionate about literacy for all. She is inspired by the legendary bird Phoenix that is reborn through fire. This costume is not just an outfit. It's a symbol of transformation, resilience, and power. Give it up for contestant number 39, Anju Sasidharan.
This was our Mrs. Petite, Mrs. Curvy, Mrs. Classic, MS category. So give a big round of applause for all of them. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, contestants. You may now exit the stage. Thank you.